Hi chat, welcome to another stream. We are about to do day 21 of Advent of Code, and we're back again, which means it's about to be the 21st of December in Eastern Time. It is of course still just 9 p.m. Pacific Time in my time. But yeah, we're here. How are y'all doing? This is the second stream of today. I did day 20 part 2 this morning, after I had a fresh night of sleep, and it wasn't it wasn't 9 hours into a live stream when I started doing problems. So I had a little bit more of a clear head, and it was a little bit easier to think about it and solve it after that. But anyway, we're here for another day. Oh, I was explaining my solution in a YouTube video, which will go up tomorrow. 2 hours and 40 minutes to run a test. Oops, that's the short description. Let me get set up here. Is today finally the maze day? I feel like day 21 is too late for a maze at this point. Or it's gonna be a really complicated maze. Day 20 to day 21, part 1, done by day 21. I don't think we're gonna see another, I don't think we're gonna see a little computer problem either. The first one must have just been a tease. Amidou says, was your solution clearer than 48 if statements in a row? Because after I solved it, I needed a shower. It was not, I mean, I could have made it simpler. We'll put it that way. But actually I feel like it's not, I mean, it's 200 lines of code, so it's a little bit more than I need it to be. But I had a nice data class for representing the edges and representing the rotation and flipping, and yeah. This code is completely duplicated though. I also learned that I do this assignment to connections, which is really convenient. I should have used this thing, but for some reason I didn't use this, so I do a bunch of unnecessary work. But this set gets unused, which I could have optimized down here in this loop here. I could have used in connections dot or connections bracket whatever the previous tile is. But yeah, I felt like it wasn't so bad. We got our Dargans down here. I was being a little bit silly this morning, but that's I guess the way things go. I did it for the content. But yeah, we got it working. It's not. Oh, there's still a breakpoint in here. Why is there still a breakpoint in here? Day 20 get diff get. Oh, I know why. Because I was demoing it in the video. But yeah, welcome back. Let me say hi to everybody. I Satisfied was here first. We've also got Rollers. How's it going, Epsilon? Good to see you again. And Unlimited Bites. He already completed day 20 in an extra stream earlier today. It's true, it's true. Maybe he wants to do more of day 20. Oh god, I hope not. Hey, what's up to the end of the server? Hello, hello. With that fancy cheese emote that I'm pretty sure I didn't get. I wanted the cheese emote. Oh, I did get hyper cheese. Wait, no, maybe that one's a global one. What's the one that I wanted to get that I didn't get? I don't know. I don't know. It's a long test, yeah. Actually love that data class. Looks really helpful. Yeah, it made it a lot easier to understand what was going on. Another says, yesterday I had to switch from JavaScript to Python to solve it in a reasonable time. Thanks, NumPy. We don't need any NumPy here. We don't need any NumPy. What do you need NumPy for? Pfft. NumPy? Oh. Hey, what's up, T-Von T, who says, wow, what was that day 20? Right? I mean, I probably would have solved it a little bit better if, you know, I wasn't 9 hours into a 12-hour stream. Oh, the snack is purple now. The purple snack. But yeah, I did a 12-hour stream yesterday, and so I was all sorts of brain frazzled even before I started the Advent of Code stuff, and my goodness, it was a mess. But I finished it this morning. But I did well in part 1. I felt like part 1 was really easy. I don't know why did it take so long to do part 1? Oh, I must have had some bugs. Because the code for it's actually not that hard. But anyway. Whoa, this is kind of cool. This took 17 minutes and 48 seconds, and this took 17 hours and 48 minutes. Interesting factor there. Should have waited 2 seconds, right, aneurysm? That would have been perfect. T says, I had a bug in part 1 and supposedly got the right answer to that, but then couldn't actually use that to do part 2. It took a super long time to do part 1 due to a fair amount of overthinking. Oh, I see. When will you do it in SQL? I don't know that one's ever gonna get done in SQL. But I did notice that I'm catching up to you, T-Bot-T. Oh wait, the points got changed. Does that mean somebody left, or does that mean somebody added to the leaderboard? I don't know, but I had like 2185 and you had 2203 or something. I guess I'm closer now, 17 points off. But anyway, what just happened? Splashly! That's such a great name. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. What were you working on today, Splashly? Splashly. I love it. Welcome, welcome. My viewers should check out Splashly's channel as well. Splashly. Oh my god, I love it. Hey, what's up, Frankenstein 0602? Hello, hello, welcome. And 2KASH2, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. And Joey Bola, hello, hello. Splashly says, just learning some Vue.js. Oh, that's cool. I actually don't know. Vue is one of the few ones that I haven't tried yet. I've done a little bit of React. I did more Angular than I care to admit. I'm an old school jQuery fanatic. But I haven't tried Vue yet, so I'll have to check it out at some point. I know my brother's been doing a bunch of Vue lately, but I have not done any Vue. What's up, Peblu? Hello, hello. And Shadow! A lot of good names in the chat today. And CK Dari, how's it going? Hello, hello. She's got cats in the header. That's my fault. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, Splashly. That's such a good name. I love it. But anyway, we're here for Advent of Code. If you're not familiar with Advent of Code, it is a series of programming puzzles that come out 2 a day in the month of December, with somewhat increasing difficulty as they go along. Yesterday's puzzle was a doozy. I'm hoping today's is not so hard, but we'll see how it goes. Siberian Lumberjack says, hi, how are you feeling after solving yesterday's puzzle? I mean, I went back this morning. You were there. Were you there? Maybe you weren't there. I went back this morning and solved it in an earlier stream today. So this is my second stream today. And with a clear mind and a fresh hours of sleep, it was much easier to solve. And Splashly, thank you for the follow as well. Wait, why did my notification go off? Streamlabs, what are you doing? But thank you for the follow and the raid. Oh, Shadow. Shadow sounds just as cool though, but Shadow, but spelled, I understand, I get it. If you did Angular, you'd like Vue.js. Well, I didn't like Angular. So maybe, Hey, what's up, 2K? Oh, I already said hi to you. Hello again. Epsilon says, have fun today, Anthony. I'm gonna head out, toast my own stream. See you later. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. Good luck with your solve today. Good luck with your stream. Hey, what's up, Frankenstein? Thank you for the follow. I've been having so much fun making Discord bots. Oh, cool. I actually have not played with Discord bots yet. I have a chat bot for my stream. This is my IRC bot, which is the Twitch chat. 2KSH2, thank you for the follow. Is that just Kesh? Is that how you go? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, this is my bot, which works all right. Lovely days. AOC takes less time, right, Dranger Slayer? Yeah. Discord.js is how I started. I ditched it though. And we're gonna Discord bot that creates and manages a Minecraft server. Ooh, I like Minecraft. I haven't played in a couple weeks though. I should probably get back on. Let's see. Wait, let me make sure I am set up. We'll put my cursor. We're speed programming. Oh, I haven't done this yet. PyTest part2.py and Python part2.py. FC, which opens a text editor to let me edit the previous command. Does that video come out tomorrow, or is that the one that came out this morning? I think that one comes out tomorrow on my YouTube channel. Yeah, that video is scheduled for tomorrow. Anyway, there's a spoiler for that video tomorrow. 2020-21. Is this a Linux? It is indeed. If you do bang SO, you can learn more. Oh, that's not the right one. OS. There we go. If you do bang OS, you can learn more about the my operating system and my setup. Secret Arby says Factorio is where I am. Oh, Factorio is fun too. Hey, what's up, Masters8? Hello, hello. But anyway, we're down to the last few minutes. I have a slight headache, but I'm hoping that isn't a problem. I'm also a little bit tired. Yesterday took a lot out of me. I could do the same in Java, but I'm a JavaScript TypeScript guy. I see. Is this the push-up stream, says Chups to the Max? When have I ever done push-ups on stream? What? I mean, I've never done push-ups on stream. I don't know if that's a thing. Only 3 minutes left. I will get something to drink. Run, run, run! Unlimited bites. Master State says, good luck today. Good luck to everyone who is attempting the puzzle as well. Today, right? That's not how that works, Chups the Max. I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to sign me up for something I didn't sign up for. I mean, there was a joke a while back that I would do an exercise stream because that's the only way to show nipples on Twitch, right? Hey, what's up, Eric? We're getting ready. He came into the stream at such a weird time. Oh boy. I guess this means that 23, 24, and 22, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man, there's 4 days after this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I can count. We'll I guess show up down here at the bottom. I bet they'll bounce around though, maybe. So you're abandoning code, hashtag free the nipples. I don't think that's gonna happen. Is there even a maze this year? Oh yeah, I guess I should be. I'll be ready to grab my maze code. I don't know. Day 21 feels like not a maze day. Is having a code a good way to learn for starters, like total starters? I think anyone should be able to do the first couple of problems, independent of how much code you know. You might have to spend a lot of time researching syntax and approaches and stuff, but I think anyone can solve the first couple of problems. For instance, Juicebox Hero, who's often in the channel, she has solved the first, I think, 12 days now, and she's a product manager. She doesn't code, so if she can do 12 days, like I think anyone can do a handful there. And before all the problem numbers move down and 22 to 25 appear at the top, yeah, that'd be crazy. But can I play this game? Anyone can play this game. You just go to this website and log in and yeah, start doing puzzles. Yeah, basically. Method of code is made for anyone, even those who can't code, to solve. True, indeed. Is it making a map of the world? We don't know. There's a spooky snack here, so I'm guessing kind of, but no. Unless there's a spooky snack that Eric knows about that we don't. It's possible. Eric's a pretty special guy. Probably, maybe he knows about the special snacks. Okay, anyway, puzzles are starting now. Good luck to everyone attempting these, and I will be ignoring chat, so good luck. Oh my god, what? Ingredients list. Each allergen is found in exactly one ingredient. Each ingredient contains 0 or 1 allergen. Allergens aren't always marked. When they're listed as is, contains nuts, shellfish after an ingredients list. The ingredient that contains each listed allergen will be somewhere in the corresponding ingredients list. However, even if an allergen isn't listed, the ingredient that contains the allergen could still be present. Maybe they forgot to label it. Okay, so these are gibberish ingredients. First step is to determine which ingredients can't possibly contain any of the allergens in any food in your list. In the above example, none of the ingredients could or contain any allergen. Count the number of times any of these ingredients appear in any ingredients list. Produces 5. Okay, so this is our sample. And 5. They all appear once except for which appears twice. Determine which ingredients cannot possibly contain any of the allergens in your list. How many times do any of these ingredients appear? Okay, so we gotta parse this input. Which is not that long, to be honest. I'm thinking regex. No, let's not do regex. Let's see, for line in s dot. We're gonna strip dot split lines after yesterday's puzzle, which had errant new lines at the end. Begin rest equals line dot partition on a parenthesis. Begin equals begin dot split. Ingredients equals set begin dot split. Allergens. Oh, actually, we gotta do the rest of this parsing down here. Actually, we can split on contains. Do they all have allergens? Grep-c contains input. Yeah, they do. Okay, so then we need to do rest equal rest dot strip parenthesis allergens equals set rest dot split comma space, and then oh man, that word sucks. Allergens set stir. So that's our parsing. Recipes dot append recipe ingredients allergens. Okay, so we somehow have to figure out how the ingredients manage. First food list has 4 ingredients. A few allergens the food definitely contains are dairy and fish. First step is to determine which ingredients can't possibly contain any of the allergens in any food in your list. In the above example, none of the ingredients can contain an allergen. Why can't this one contain an allergen? Couldn't it contain dairy or fish? Or is that because this one contains... So at least 2 allergens must be... Does one ingredient list lead to 1 allergen? How many times do any of these ingredients appear? While the food might contain other allergens, a few allergens the food definitely contains. Okay, so my guess is 1 ingredient. Oh. Some or all of the allergens. Huh, how the fuck are we supposed to do this one? Okay, so we know one of these two contains soy. And we know that one of these three contains fish. So we have to, like, mark these somehow? I don't know how this works at all. I don't know how this works at all. I mean, we parsed the input, but I'm stumped. I have no idea. Where's the logic here? Is it that an ingredient can only mark one allergen, or is it possible that multiple foods lead to a different allergen? It's like we could see what's in common between these two. And the only overlap is this one, so that one must be the fish one. And so we know that that one's fish, and so then we can figure out the overlap between these two. It's not this one. And so that would be this one. So that's how you get dairy. And then what about this one? Like, how do we know which one of these is a thing? It's a PyotrKropotkin. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so we have to find ones that are unique. So I think that's the idea. And then random. Well, the thing is, like, this could also be dairy, right? So it's possible that this is dairy. Unless there's some thing that I didn't read here. Some or all of the allergens. Each allergen is found in exactly one ingredient. Oh. Okay. Each ingredient contains 0 or 1 allergen. Okay, this makes the problem solvable. But I don't know the clever algorithm for it. But we can just and a bunch of things together. Okay, so I am going to use collections. So we just need a dictionary here. Let's see, for recipe in recipes, for allergen in recipe.allergens, by allergen dot set default allergen recipe dot ingredients by allergen and equals recipe dot ingredients. Ingredients. What does that give us? A name error. We don't know which of these two is soy. We know one of them must not be, right? Wait. Wait. Oh, anding isn't going to be right here. We need to find the ones that have one allergen in them. In multiple places? Yeah, this isn't right. This isn't right. I mean, one of these is right. We know that this one is this is probably the fish one. Oh wait, we don't know that one's the fish one. This could be the fish one. Wait, why isn't this set too wide here for fish? Because we should have anded this with this. And got... Oh. I fucked myself here. This is why immutable is good, kids. Frozen set. Frozen set. Frozen set. Okay, so then it looks a lot like the other problem that we had. Yeah, okay. So, signed equals this, while by allergen, hey, what's up, Dragonout? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. If len v equals 1, then assigned k equals v, and then for v in by allergen values, v dot discard val. Too many values to unpack. So we also have to do del by allergen. Okay. Cool. So that assigns them, and then we just need to OR everything together and subtract those. All ingredients set for recipe in recipes. All ingredients or equals recipe dot ingredients. All ingredients minus equals assigned dot values. Return len all ingredients. Dot difference update. Got 4 somehow. Oh, it's setting its counts. Fuck. Known equals set assigned values. Now you've isolated the ingredients list, you should have enough information to figure out which ingredient contains which allergen. Okay, arrange the ingredients alphabetically by their allergen and separate them by commas to produce your canonical dangerous ingredient list. What is your canonical ingredients list? Arrange the ingredients alphabetically by their allergen. Alphabetically by their allergen. Okay. Items equals assigned dot items. So sorted. Then what? Ingredients list. Return comma dot join. Cool. That wasn't so bad. How did I make up so much time on part 2? Did people not solve the first one? Did people not solve the first one? Okay, let me catch up on chat, and then we'll get going. Who's Eric? Eric is the creator of this, who is in chat. That is the best interaction in this chat. Yeah, it's true. Hey, what's up, Brian? Good to see you again. We gotta somehow get Anthony to do push-ups on stream. I would maybe do push-ups for gift subs. That would be how we get there. Really, most allergies are genetic. Line 1 for... Oh, you're giving me hints, rollers. I see. Just curious, why do you do night streams now? I do both. But these night streams are because Advent of Code comes out at a very particular time. How many nested for loops is he gonna use? Anyone want to guess? Yeah, how many for loops do we end up with? It's only double for loop here. And while for. And for, while for, and for. It's not so bad. Not so bad. Difficulty ramped up fast. I feel like this one wasn't that bad. Just a lot of like, ugh. Interestingly, this part of the problem we've seen twice now. We saw this earlier in this Advent of Code, and we saw it in 2018. Hey, what's up, Hot Pancakes? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. That's a great name. Easy peasy, says I satisfied. How do I know which ingredients are safe? I don't understand the premise. Do you want me to give you the hint? Hey, what's up, ErennSenguli? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. The Satisfied says gift subs. Do you have a number in mind? Oh no. Oh no. And unfortunately I can't read your name, but if you talk in chat I can read your anglicized name. But welcome. Thank you for the follow. Pidev142. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. And Vidalera. How's it going? Hot pancakes? What? What? Okay, let's commit this. I'm pretty sure MyPie's gonna complain about at least something, because I know I did something type unsound. But yeah. Let's see. Python day 21 part 1. I wonder if we could do this with SQLite. Probably not. Cause actually, what did I just do there? Oh god, no. ReamD. There we go. Day 21 input.text. Day 21 init. Day 21 input. Day 21 part 1. Oh, I gotta see if T-T is finished. That's what really matters, right? Oh, that's not what I want. I want private leaderboard. Okay, T-T is finished. Also, he finished before me because now he's further ahead. Oh, wait, no, he's not. He's only 15 points ahead. So I got closer yet again. Okay. issue day 21 part 1. Collections set. I definitely lost some time on the frozen set thing. 32. Why do you need an annotation? Do you really not know that you're a Dicksterster? Setster? I guess it doesn't know about set default. So we did need set after all. Speaking of T-Bod T, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. I'll give you your shout out. I think I beat you on one part and you beat me on another part today because I caught up by 2 points. So something like that. 48. Need type for all ingredients. Do you really need a type for this? How do you not know this type? My pie. Anyway. You moved ahead a bit. Nice. Was there a way to solve part 1 without figuring out all the ingredients? Because that was how I did it. But the way part 2 was worded, and given that I moved up a bunch in stats on part 2, yeah, like I was 272 and then 122, so I moved up by 150 people. Makes me think that there was something that I just didn't understand that was an easier way. Spent like 5 minutes. Yeah, I spent like 10 minutes not understanding how to do the problem. Once I figured out how to do the problem, though, it all went pretty quickly. My bag can never know the types of empty collections unless it does some magic. So it does for dictionaries. It knows how to do dictionaries. Like if you have x equals this, and then x1 equals 2, reveal type x. It knows that it's dictant int. Yeah. So it does do some additional inference based on empty collections, but it's either incomplete or buggy. Which, I mean, either way. Hey, what's up, Juice? Hello, hello. Have you finished day 12 yet? But yeah, my pie's been getting better about the inference stuff. For sure. I wish there was like a warning when it does the inference for you and you've put the type there anyway. Because then it would allow me to clean up annotations that I don't need. But I don't think there's a thing for that. Okay, it's definitely going to complain because my function has a return type of int. So we're going to get ahead of my pie for that one and change this to stir. Oh, we should set the expected value here as well. Day 21, part 2. And all the same errors as with part 1. Collections. 32. Right, you need to be dict stir. We don't have set. And we have dict. Well, you clearly could have inferred that, my pie. But you don't know about set default for some reason. But I actually like this little gadget here. This gadget's been used like 3 times now, so it's kind of cool. I don't think my solution to this is ideal. Like there's a more clever way to do this with sorting. But this is the one that I've written 3 times now, so I'm just gonna keep writing the same thing because it's fast enough. I have a bug. I haven't solved the bug yet, but we'll soon. Just doing tofu stuff all day. PYT says, I have no confidence in this memory, but I think I got 18th place on an essentially identical problem a year or two ago. ISA reversing. There was one in 2018 that was just like this bit here. I also bought Tofu a disgusting, perverse bull penis, and she is all about it. What? Hey, what's up, Kevin Joberg? Morning. How did yesterday's part 2? I redid it. I worked on it this morning and finished it, so I'm done. I'm done now with that. I've got essentially the same gadget. So there's a more efficient way to do this with sorting, where you just sort by the length. But before you run the gadget, you can take the union of values in by allergen and subtract those from all ingredients, and that's the ingredients that can't have an allergen. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. So then you wouldn't have to assign them. Whereas I assigned them and then I removed them all. What does and equals do? So Python overrides the bitwise and operator for sets to do intersection. So you can see here, this set intersected with this set, the overlap is 2 and 3. So you get a new set out here. So this is intersection update. Oh, we get the drop song. Perfect timing drop song. But yeah. Did I actually type out difference update? I know I typed it at some point. No, we got rid of that code. Okay. Does or equal to union update? It does indeed. Metal says, I'm late to today's problem. No points for me. I didn't get points either. Make that an explains video. I've been meaning to do an explains video about sets and all of their operations, which will be nice beginner videos. But I need to I need to start with lists. Once I do lists, then I can do tuples. Once I've done lists and tuples, then I can do sets. Once I've done sets, I can do other data structures. Because they kind of build on each other. Like all of the, well, maybe I'd do tuple first. Because all of the tuple methods are valid on lists. But not all the list methods are valid on tuple. Anyway, I did it for my brother, so like I just need to basically transpose programming notes. I basically need to transpose when I talked about stuff here. Also, like, there's a whole bunch of good stuff. If you haven't seen this before, what's plus equals? Sets don't have plus. They only have minus. There is minus equals, which is, it discards all those members. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of good stuff in here that I can probably just take these and make videos out of. Yeah, this fuckery. Anthony made this. If you type title followed by any characters, you can make the titles for the... Okay, I guess I'll show you this. I don't exactly remember how it works. But if you make this function, you see the title of this tab? If I do title hello world, now the title of this tab is hello world. But it does some fuckery with PS1. But anyway, somewhere in here I started talking about Python stuff. Yeah, this was like week 2 or something. We talked about strings and doc strings and binary literals and multiplication in strings, addition of strings, length, string methods, string formatting, all of the different... Oh god, what did I just do? How did I open Twitch chat? What the fuck just happened? Oh, I must have gotten excited and clicked up here. Slicing, iterating, indexing, lists, list operators, tuples, name tuples, Wiktionaries, lambdas, input output, built-in functions, all sorts of stuff. My great MS Paint drawing of sets. Look at this shit. Isn't this a great drawing? Union, intersection, diff, symmetric diff. All these operators, truth tables, comprehensions even, ternary, JSON. Anyway, we did a lot of we did a lot of programming notes there. Shouldn't you Dix as one of the first one? Yeah, something like that. Control Shift B to toggle bookmarks. I should keep mine hidden. Oh, I keep them open because I click on them. Pretty nice. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good set of notes. Anyway, that wraps us up for today. Let's do my spiel, and then we'll send you off to another channel who's working on Advent of Code. My name is Anthony. You can check out my previous content on youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I upload previous streams, Advent of Code solutions with explanations, as well as a daily educational video on various topics: Python, Git, Linux, DevOps, interviewing, whatever you want to know, Docker, etc. You ask questions, and then I explain them in videos. I stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, which means I'm going to be streaming twice tomorrow. I'm also streaming every day for Advent of Code. I announced my non-Advent of Code streams, well, except for this one, there was a special bonus stream, on Twitch, on Twitter, so follow me there for those. I also announced them on the Discord. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.